Alright, I want to show you how you can draw this object. That is the spanner that you have been viewing on the screen. In this case, we are going to make use of the principles of tangency, and I've made some videos on the application of the principles of tangency, and also I've made videos on what we call the principles of tangency. So if you have not seen the videos, you need to watch the videos, because for you to be able to work on this, for you to be able to produce this, you need to learn how to apply the principles of tangency, and you need to know the principles of tangency. Now, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you need to subscribe, so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And for you to be notified, you need to press the notification bell, so that when I upload a new video, you'll be notified. So if you have not done that, please subscribe and activate the notification bell. And then don't forget to share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing students. And then don't forget to practice, because when you practice, you get it and you know it better and better and better. So thank you, and keep on watching. Now, to solve this problem that we have here, we are going to make use of all these dimensions. We are going to make use of all these dimensions. So just follow me as I do it. The first thing that you need to do is to draw a vertical center line. Draw a vertical center line. So you draw a vertical center line like this. Where is vertical center line? This is it. This is the vertical center line. And then we have this line. Look at this line that we have here. This line, it is inclined at an angle 30 degrees to the vertical center line, while this line is at a right angle to this line. It's at a right angle to this line. So what we need to do now is that you take your set square and you set it in this form. When you set it like this, it's already at angle 30 degrees to the vertical center line. So you produce a line like this, and then you turn it. So turn it like this. So you turn it in this form. So this is the center point. So you draw a line in this direction. So you are still making use of our 30-degree set square. So after you have done this, so let's look at what we have here. So here we have that this arc is, its radius is 23 millimeters, and this arc, its radius is 53 millimeters. And then for us to get this, we have its radius to be 30 millimeters. But distance of this line from this tip of the spanner is 13 millimeters. So how do we get that? So we are going to take that 13 millimeters first. That's the first thing that we are going to do. So what you need to do is that on this line, take 13 millimeters up from this point here, from the center point here, take 13 millimeters up. So this is 13 millimeters. This is 13 millimeters. So next thing I'm going to do here is to draw that line. So just draw it as I've drawn it here. So after you have done this, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I will take 23 millimeters. 23 millimeters. So I'll take it like this. So this is 23 millimeters. I'll put at this center and draw an arc like this. Okay, so I'll draw this arc. So after you have done this, so the next is I will take a measurement of 53 millimeters on my ruler with my compass. Then I put at the center here and draw an arc like this. So you may not be able to see this arc now. You may not be able to see it clearly now. So I will still come back and make it thick. So it's because of what I'm going to do. So the next thing that we are going to do is that if you look here, you see that this straight line and this straight line, they are 40 millimeters apart. They are 40 millimeters apart. That means we are going to divide this 40 by 2. That is 20. We take 20 to this side and take 20 to this side. So what I mean is this. On this line, I just come here. So I'll come up here and I will draw a line like this. And on this line, I will take 20 millimeters to the left and 20 millimeters to the right. 20 millimeters to the right, as you can see it here. Then I will take my set square, set it in this form, set it like this, and I will draw a line like this. Okay, then I will also come here and draw the line like this. Okay, so after doing this, so the next thing that I want to do is that as we have it here, that this arc is 30 millimeters. The radius of this arc is 30 millimeters. Likewise, the radius of this arc is 30 millimeters. Now, for me to be able to do that, I will extend this line a little bit from here. So I will extend it down like this, and then I will come here also and do the same thing, extend it down like this. Now, I will take a measurement of 30 millimeters from this point. From this point here, I will take 30 millimeters down. So from here, so take 30 millimeters to this point like this. This is 30 millimeters from this point, 30 millimeters down. This is it. So I will transfer this. So I'll transfer it down to this side like this. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is that I will take my compass, then put at this point, so extend it to this point here, and I will turn it. Okay, I will turn it. So turn it like this. So wherever I touch here, and then I bring it here. So bring it to this point. Then touch this point, and I will turn it like this. So you have to be very careful. Okay, so I turn it like this. All right, so the next thing that we need to do now is to get this shape out with the application of the principles of tangency. So how are we going to get that? So as we have here that this is 34. Distance from here to here is 34 millimeters. So 34 by 2, that will give us 17 millimeters. So best thing that we are going to do here to get that shape is to draw a horizontal line anywhere here. Then you take a measurement of 17 millimeters, 17 millimeters to the left and also to the right. 17 millimeters to the left and 17 millimeters to the right. So this is 17 and this is also 17 millimeters. So now, so from here, we are going to erect a vertical line. So we erect a vertical line here, and then we also erect a vertical line here. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is that as we have here, that the radius of this arc is 55, and the radius of this arc is 20. So what we need to do here, I will still extend this horizontal line, extend to this side, extend this to this side. Then on this side, on this side here, on this side, I will take a measurement of 20 millimeters to the left, as we have that the radius of the arc here is 20, and then I will take a radius or a distance of 55 millimeters to the right. So this is 55 millimeters. Now, so next thing I'm going to do here, from this point, I will draw a vertical line. We'll draw a vertical line like this, and then here I will also draw a vertical line here like this. Okay, so next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to apply the principles of tangency now. So the radius of this arc from the center here is 55. Sorry, is 53. So we are going to add this 55 that we have here plus 53. That will give us 108. So we take a measurement of 108 millimeters. 108 millimeters. So this is so you take 108 millimeters. So this is 108 millimeters from here. This is 108 millimeters. Okay, then put it at the center here. At the center here, and you make an arc on this line like this. Just make an arc on this line. Okay, so then here we also have the same 53 plus 20. That, sorry, okay, so yeah, 53 plus 20, because this one from here to here is 20. So that will give us, that is 53 plus 20, that is 73. So you take a measurement of 73 millimeters. 73 millimeters. So this is 73. Then you put at the center here, and you make an arc on this line like this. Okay, so this is the second point. So the next thing that we are going to do here is that, so you take a measurement of 20 millimeters. That 20 millimeters that you have here, you take that 20 millimeters, and then you take it from your ruler, 20 millimeters. Then you put at this point. Put at this point here, and then from here. So if you look at it, so this 20 millimeters touch this line, then you just turn it like this. You turn it like this. Okay, so if you look at it, that arc has come out. That arc has come out now. So this is it. So then you take a measurement of the radius here is 55. So take a measurement of 55 millimeters. This arc is of radius 55. So take a measurement of 55 millimeters on your ruler. So this is 55. So take 55 on your ruler. This is 55. Then put it at this point here. So when you put at this point, you touch somewhere here, then you turn it like this. You can see it. You can see it like this. I believe you can see it. So the arc has come out, and we have blended them together. So this is it. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do now is that from this point, I will make this arc, sorry, this line, I will make it a thick line. So I'll make it a thick line like this, and I will also make this line, I'll make it a thick line. Okay, and then so I can put the shape or the design that we have down here, that is a broken spanner. So I'll just make it like this and like this. So this is what we have here. So this is it here, as we have it here. So this is the spanner, and this is how you can construct it. So it's very simple. So all you need to know is to follow the way I did it, and then do it also, and you get it. So keep on practicing. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Share my videos with friends who are technical drawing students, and then don't forget to press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you for listening, and keep on practicing. God bless you.